Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will write a program in Python to input a sentence and print those words which start with a vowel and end with a consonant. So first, we have to declare a variable in which we will take input of a sentence as we have done it in other videos and tutorials. And then we will split it into So before splitting, we will convert that sentence into uppercase or lowercase. You can do whatever you like. What I am doing here, upper. So the sentence will get converted into uppercase. Then I will write here word equals to words dot split. So this will split every word from the sentence. Then I will iterate it through a loop, and then we'll check if the first letter and the last letter is satisfying the required conditions or not, which are the first letter should be vowel and the last letter should be consonant. So I have written here, if the first letter, which means I index 0 in AEIOU, means if the first letter is a vowel and the last letter, which means I index -1, means the last index not in AEIOU, means not a vowel. So the condition will get true and this will print that word. So this is how it will work. Let me run it. Okay. So let me copy the sentence from here. And then I will paste it here. So let's see. Okay. So here, this is giving two words, input and end. So let me check. So the first word is Python, which is starting with consonant, means condition field. Then second one is to, which is starting again with consonant, condition field. And then here is a word input, so which is starting with vowel, condition true, and then ending with T, means consonant, condition true. That's why it is written here input. Then go to again. Here is only one word, A, condition field. Then again, the next word is sentence, is starting with S, no vowel, condition field. Then again and starting with A and then ending with consonant, means condition true, gets printed here. And then for others, condition get field. So this is how it is working. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you would like me to make a video on any topic, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.